Want to know my ancient Asian secret to anti-aging? Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Jules. Do you want to know what the ancient Asian secret is? It's actually the secret art of facial massage. Massage for sure, not the sketchy kind, the good kind that covers your face mostly and your neck and your décolletage. This is such an important part of anti-aging. There's a lot of different information about facial massage and we're gonna run that down today. Lifting and firming and toning and circulation. These things are all so important in keeping your skin, especially on your face, tight and as young and as youthful as possible. And we're going to talk about why it's done, how it's done, and what tools you will need to do it. So we can stimulate a lot more circulation as well as blood flow, and we can encourage toxin drainage and encouraging the lymph nodes around your neck and around your ears to drain so you can have optimal anti-aging benefits. Yes, ancient Asians have been using massage for a long time. As a child, massage used to be an integral part of well-being for us. One of my earliest memories is of my mother. When we used to get stomach aches, she used to massage the stomach in circular motions and in kneading motions. This was highly beneficial in helping to mitigate the pain. So I think the same idea applies to your face. The right kinds of massage that you can apply to your face can really help achieve certain goals. Look at her. She's been doing it for so long and she looks amazing. It has been highly beneficial in my own personal anti-aging regime. Before we do any type of facial massage, we need to make sure that we have adequate hydration. So this means you are using a cream or a serum or an oil of some sort so that there's a lot of slip to your skin, and whether you're using your hands or tools, it is not getting caught on your skin or causing extra friction. You want the hands or the tools to be gliding effortlessly across your skin, and this will help you achieve a better result. The very, very fundamental form of facial massage is using our hands. These are cheap as well as very effective. Once you have put your serum or your oil all over your face, you can gently massage upwards. You want to do it against gravity. Please let me know if you're interested. I will do future video on the actual techniques that I do use. We do have lymph nodes in various parts of our face as well as our neck. We are definitely going to be gentle around these areas, and also noting that our thyroid is also near our neck. We need to be very gentle. We are stimulating but not being aggressive. We just want to gently move the fluids and the tissues and provide a lot more stimulation without aggravating anything. The advantage to our hands, you can definitely feel where your hands are going, and you can definitely get very close in with your fingertips. There's even techniques online that you can research where you're even putting your hand inside your mouth and kneading the muscles and kneading the wrinkles, and over a course of period of time, if you do this properly, it can really help you mitigate the signs of new wrinkles and working the muscles so that they are plump and there's new collagen and new elastin. We need to be really smart, and we need to research, and we need to make sure that we are getting our information from reputable sources, and we need to filter that through our own experience. Try different techniques, try different things, and see what works for you. That cocktail of information as well as intuition as well as your own personal experience is what is going to help most. You need to learn about it and you need to try it. And there is no antidote better than that. There are a lot of other tools besides your hands that you can use for facial massage, and that includes things like jade rollers or rose quartz rollers, and they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. You can get ones that are just like a bulb. You can get two-sided ones that have a larger one and a smaller one, and you can get them in different materials. I've seen them in all different types of natural stone, jade, rose quartz. They are so readily available. You can go online and find a lot. I will try and link up a few for you in the description box. Then there's all these funky kinds. So I found these on the internet as well. So this one is a kind of like a S&M one. It's got some spiky pokey things, but it doesn't actually puncture your skin. It has pressure points. I do this on my hands and on my face. I am very liberal with the serum and the oil, and then I just run it back and forth both ways, crisscross. When I'm done, my hand is beet red and it's just awesome. This one works really well. There's this one as well. This is really small, so you can get it in just close to the eye area. You gotta make sure there's tons of serum and you just rub it and roll it all different ways. There's also a Nurse Jamie one with little tiny stimulating heads on it. I do not have that one, but I can link it below if I can find it. So another type of ancient Asian massage is gua sha. So these are some of the tools that you can use, and they have all different types of edges so that they can get into all different areas of your face. And as you can see, they're shaped and you can roll them to the different planes of your face and your neck. And they come in all different types. There's the type that are like little knobs. You can roll these along the contours of your face. The latest ones to my collection are these ones that I found. This one is like a little vibrating roller. You can put a battery inside, and it basically has another component. It vibrates while you roll it on your skin, so it gives you another dimension of massage. And that I really enjoy. It's relaxing as well. So another form of facial massage is suctioning. You can use tools like these that you can get online, and they are fantastic. They provide another form of massage through suctioning. So you basically just squeeze it and then pull it. It gently manipulates and just moves your skin, and you just roll it along with your serum, and it really helps with blood flow. These are available in all different types of sizes. I did do an Amazon haul, and this one came in a lot of different sizes. I will link that video right here. So this is only the tip of the iceberg. There are lots of other tools that you can use, and definitely you should go online and research. So there are lots of different serums and oils that you can use. Anything that gives your skin a little bit of slip is going to be beneficial. I like to use hyaluronic acid. I have a drugstore one here. This one's the L'Oreal, but also the Ordinary makes a really great one too. My daughter has stolen it, that's why I don't have it here. But I have used everything from hyaluronic acid to different types of oils. This one is a hyaluronic serum with vitamin C and vitamin E. I also use the Ordinary. This is the bee oil, but I also have used the hyaluronic acid. They are all really good. I will try and link a few down below if you'd like to look it up. One of the best parts of massage is that it is also very relaxing. It really helps in calming your mind. You can turn on some really good meditational music. You can really take this time for self-care, which is also a really good mental benefit of anti-aging. Let me know if you do facial massage and if you like it and what types of tools that you use. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you're interested, I can also do one in the future where I actually show you my own gua sha and massage techniques. Let me know as well. If this was helpful, please share with your friends, like and comment, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you soon. Really just pulling, lifting and kneading. Sounds like we're talking about pizza dough dip, but it's not. It's actually our face. Oh, nano.